So hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe. And if you went back to my channel, please do click that little bell button so you will never miss a video with me again. And my name is Mayan or MeiiMags here in YouTube. Today I am going to unbox one of the things that I bought, this aroma diffuser. It is K-Babo and I purchased it at Amazon with this pure essential. And I will make sure that I link everything down below. So let me show you how. So this is the box and this is kind of what it looks like. It comes with a remote control. So for everybody who doesn't know, who's new to my channel, I am currently 36 weeks pregnant. So I'm just trying to get everything together and I just want to make sure that the house smells good before the baby comes here so she can definitely breathe better. Especially found out about this at my chiropractor's office because their office smells phenomenal and they don't use any Glade or any of that Febreze. They only have this, actually the smaller version of this. So I got the bigger version just because I want the bigger version, and it comes with a light. So at nighttime I'll just turn on the light when I need to feed her so it's not that bright rather than the light on the ceiling. So without further ado, I'll be opening this box. So it's ultrasonic vibration atomization, humidification, aroma therapy, purify air, and colorful lamp. Because I don't want to buy a lamp anymore, so this is going to be my lamp and my humidifier in one. So it comes on this package. The inside, it says K-Babo. And then you have to open it. Open it up, and inside is, it comes with this remote. The remote says intermittent, continuous, timing, big, small, and then light, and then on and off. So this is gonna be really useful if I want to turn it off or turn it on here in my room. I was planning to put this outside, but I'd rather put this in my room so I have my remote control. And then it comes with this. It's the inside, you have to put water on it. And then it gives you how many milliliters or whatever you can put on it. And then it comes with this water thing that you can use. And then the charge that you have to plug it on. Operate a humidifier with this thing over here with all the essential oils. And this one has 6 bottles. As I've said, it has lavender, tea tree, rosemary, and lemongrass, orange, and peppermint. And it. So first of all, this is it. It has that stuff there. And the water thingy is here. Water thing. And what I'm gonna do is just put this on here. This is the plug. Can you see the plug? Yep. That's the plug there. And then you just have to insert it. And so I did add 100 ml of water there just to make sure. And so I'm going to this on here. Then try to turn it on. There you go. And then you can have the light on. See the light? So I'll try to turn this off and then I'll let you see. So that's the light. There's a different light. You can change the colors too. Like there's blue, There's red, green. So there you go. And I will try to change. Let's do intermittent.
Use for 4 hours and then intermittent. And then you can put continuous, not continuous, intermittent. And just put the timing on.
So that's how it looks like. And then you can change the light. You can turn it off. You can turn it on to green. And then blue, brighter blue, red, brighter red, and then green again. And it's already misting. That's it, guys. Isn't that amazing?